In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Gemini. If you've been using Gemini and want to disconnect your account from it, the quickest way is to sign out and remove your email from the app or browser so it no longer appears as a saved option. This doesn't erase your Google account or delete the Gemini service itself. It simply disconnects your access on this device, which is exactly what most people mean when they say delete Gemini. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your web browser or the Gemini app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're actually viewing Gemini and not another Google page. If you see your chat history, prompts, or the Gemini interface, you're in the right place. If multiple Google accounts are signed in on your device, take a quick glance at the top right corner to confirm you're using the account you intend to disconnect. Next, click your profile. This is the circular avatar or initial in the top right corner of the Gemini screen. Clicking it opens the account menu. If your window is very small, you might need to maximize it to see the profile icon clearly. On some layouts, the icon may look like an initial inside a circle. That's still your profile. Then, click Sign Out. The Sign Out option appears in the profile menu. Choose it, and Gemini will immediately disconnect your session on this device. After signing out, you'll typically be returned to a welcome or sign-in screen. This step stops Gemini from accessing your account here, but your Google account and any data stored with Google remain intact. Finally, remove your email. On the sign-in screen, look for a prompt that shows previously used accounts. You should see an option like Remove or Remove an account. Select that, choose the email you just signed out of, and confirm. This removes the saved email from Gemini on this device or app, so it won't be suggested for one-click sign-in. It does not delete your email address or your Google account. It only clears it from this device's remembered list for Gemini. If you don't immediately see the remove option, check for a small link such as Manage Accounts on this device and follow the on-screen prompts to remove it. And that's it. You've opened Gemini, clicked your profile, signed out, and removed your email. If you ever change your mind, you can return to Gemini and sign back in at any time.